pantaloons junior also.
What would you like to have? Search.
This looks like his uniform.
Uniform, yeah, don't want that. गोवा जा रहे हैं. When you go on a road trip and all, it's nice to wear that. Hey, this is good. Red one, I liked it. Did they see this? You like the shirt that you see first. Size मिलेगा सब मिलेगा.
Now we take 7 to 8 or 8 to 9.
He has to try both. 7 to 8, baby. I mean, 1 year only we use it. Where afterwards? You also know we don't repeat the clothes.
This color is nice, you like?
Yeah, photos will come nice with that.
Nice.
See, I don't believe in this method of trying the clothes. He has to go and wear it in the trial room.
Yeah, of course. Kantala.
No, these are not nice.
So maybe this will take and bottoms.
Black jeans.
Black he has.
Baby, where? I've not even seen him wearing a black
Black
jeans.
is there.
So what are you going to get? A orange color pant jeans or what? Why are they taking Agnel's ka
Uniform.
uniform? ये देख. Yeah. She. Huh? This looks good with not that. No. This looks good or else black.
But this color pant he has.
ये चल रही सब चीज you're buying. He has a red this also colored t-shirt. Go for the black jeans. Here. Sonic. No more. Go for the black jeans.
Did I search 7 to 8?
दो है मतलब क्या है?
They don't have full jet black.
That's why I want him to go for jet black.
Can you find it? Wait, hold this, I'll find it. Take this, I'll see. But baby, see, they are already faded. If you put it for washing, fade हो जाएगा और वो.
Now you tell me with that red, which color pant will go down? You tell me.
Black only, but this quality I don't like. See, इसमें black है.
हाँ ये black ले.
Five to six.
Did you find?
Nice this one. This one fade. Not dust catch करता, but it's fine. I see.
Black and red looks good, yeah. What happened?
I like this color.
I don't know, it doesn't match that well. If you're trying to convince me, I'm not getting convinced. For me, red with black looks the best.
It looks Christmassy then.
How?
I don't know. You understand boys better than me. Normal t-shirts will take two.
Yeah. Go.
ऐसा jeans नहीं चाहिए. You think this will look good? Or like that?
कुछ भी चलेगा.
This looks better. I didn't like this print.
हाँ, then ठीक है, buy this.
5 to 6. 7. See?
हाँ, done.
They put in your bag. Or put in the bag. Sorry. Put in the bag.
Are we going to make him try all them?
One day. Now t-shirts. Now t-shirts you choose. I'll take this.
Yeah, I'm not going.
Take bright colors only, yeah? Yeah, learned from you only. But don't take full sleeves.
He needs to have one full sleeve.
The other side.
Good observation.
Good observation, Hriday. Proud of you.
What about this is the 8 to 16? Go search yours.
Go search for 7 to 8. Go.
These are all 8.
Found? Baby, here. 100% cotton. He's marketing them.
This is nice. Keep that. I don't know about
This color looks good.
yeah, and I like the print of the car. Hold.
Like this much. I want coffee.
This is also nice. Orange.
Yeah, bright colors look good.
Blue, he has way too many.
Don't take blue, red, grey. Don't take yellow.
Red, he doesn't have a t-shirt red proper.
He has.
Only one I have.
The Chandrayaan Galaxy.
See the other side.
No way. Purple. Vlogger in the house. What are you buying? Either check.
So many options.
Hey, that shoes also nice. Something good grip. On the left. That is also good. Hey baby, red, black, and ये अच्छा रहेगा.
He wants for rainy, right?
Yeah. Hey, see these sandals. Hriday. See it's fitting you.
Keep my phone.
Good. Hriday. Come on, be a man. Come on. Face the. Yes.
The size.
You'll have to bend, darling. Loosen it up first.
These are almost same.
नहीं रे छोटा है.
38. What was the size on that? Check with that. But this is good or what?
Yeah,
Rain.
grip. Yeah.
ये slip नहीं हो जाएगा. पक्का?
Yes.
Very fancy.
You'll have to open it up, no, first. finalizing on that. Cartoon only here. Chal done.
But this won't fade away, na? Like grip wise, we are monsoon wear.
Yeah. ये सैंडल्स का ग्रिप ऐसे ही रहता है.
अरे फिर वो घिसता है ना, and plain हो जाता है फिर slip.
ऐसा ही है.
Monsoon wear है.
Hey, but it is.
Sometimes they say that these are summer shoes have a grip, but then after some time they do not have a grip.
And why is that so? It wears off.
Like with the sandals.
Okay, bottom them. You like this or you didn't like this?
Because once I
You liked it. I don't like it. Answer that. No. Huh? Go keep it back. Ah, it's because of that. No, you can wear this. It's fine.
So he feels after removing this, it's
No,
coming
it's
back.
nothing like that.
That's fine.
That's a different style what you're wearing. That's school's type. That's uncle's type actually.
Now
This
for
is
school,
more.
again we have to take black. This is for home wear and rainy wear. Okay.
Finalizing on this. You convinced him. Good. Chalo. What else are you buying? Done. How was your birthday shopping? Good. Lot of things we bought now. And now we are having dinner. We are tired of walking and buying stuff, trying stuff and everything, right?
And it's raining.
Ah, yeah, now it's raining and that's our car. And so first we are having is this prawns. Sorry, crab soup. I was wondering prawns kidhar hai. It's crab soup and of course this delicious surmai. Oh my god. Too good, no baby?
The next day.
सो आता आम्ही आलो आहे हृदयचा बर्थडे केक ऑर्डर करायला मॉन्जिनीजमध्ये. कोणता केक पाहिजे बाबू? सी डिसाईड. काय बोलतोय? स्पाइडरमैन केक. लेट्स सी. एक्सक्यूज मी, स्पाइडरमैन केक मिलेगा क्या प्रिंट करके आज शाम को? 1 kg, हाफ kg? 1 kg. एंड फ्लेवर्स?
फ्लेवर देखिए पाइनएप्पल रहेगा, ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट रहेगा,
ये बाबू.
ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट पाइनएप्पल नीचे है,
Chocolate.
यहाँ पे
यहाँ पे स्विस चॉकलेट
और डच चॉकलेट,
डच.
ब्लैक फॉरेस्ट इधर है और नीचे पाइनएप्पल.
ओके. एक काम करना, स्विस चॉकलेट मीठा रहेगा ना एंड डच थोड़ा बिटर रहेगा, करेक्ट? हाँ. सो एक स्विस चॉकलेट ही देना. एंड इमेज मैं आपको दूँ क्या कि आप डाल दोगे?
आप थे तो पहले
ओके ठीक है. हृदय कम सिलेक्ट द इमेज. हैप्पी? चलो गो. Guess which cake we got?
Spider-Man.
So Hriday, now where are we going?
McDonald's.
Why? Because
Because in Navaratna there is no park.
we decided to go to Navratna, but there's no parking, so now we are here at McDonald's.
My favorite. It's healthy.
सो ॲक्च्युली आम्हाला बसून चांगलं लंच खायचा होता, बर्थडे लंच, बट थँक्स टू द लवली पार्किंग. आम्हाला भेटलीच नाही कुठे. सो नाव वी डिसाइडेड टू ईट इन द
Somewhere
कार.
closer to the school.
Yes. Birthday boy. How are you feeling? Good.
Must have. They're making reels भी है.
Yeah. Fries.
And avoid.
Mm.
Is that good?
With that.
What do you do for his tiffin?
Have.
Wow, nice.
When we got the car, we decided we'll have a rule.
No
Rule number
eating.
1. No eating in the car. But with time, everything changed.
I mean, now we were not getting parking anywhere, and parking was too far. It makes no sense. Now, like, told we eat in the car only. We got a nice
Cheesy
place.
fries.
Oh, you got cheesy ones.
What?
And people wonder why I put on weight. I didn't order this. She ordered.
Babe,
You did that, no?
come closer.
And with time we also started the not dropping things.
Mm.
Like once
You.
a while we do, but then
You.
You started not to drop things.
Never drop.
By the way, thank you everyone for sending us such beautiful birthday wishes for Hriday. WhatsApp
बहुत
is
आ गया.
full, Instagram is full.
क्या ही बोलूं अभी. And then, see, it's very difficult for us to reply to those messages as well because many of them were upset with us even during the birthday. Not during the birthday, our wedding scenarios and everything. The thing is, we are bombarded with not less than 1,000 messages, and I understand, you know, many close people got hurt and everything because we couldn't reply to their congratulatory messages. But then we are, you know, we apologize for that. I know it's wrong. There's no excuse to it, but we couldn't do it. I mean, after the wedding, also we had many things, and the emotional turmoil that we had to go through, family and everything. It was very difficult for us to actually reply with that enthusiasm, you know, like, you know.
अँड बेसिकली आम्ही अशी काय वर्कसाठी पण सुट्टी नव्हती घेतली.
हा.
सो कोर्ट मॅरेज नंतर आम्ही सडनली आमचं सगळं काम रुटीन, डेली रुटीन जो पण आहे तो रिझ्यूम केला. बट फ्यू ऑफ आवर फ्रेंड्स वर अपसेट बिकॉज वी डिडंट रिप्लाय बॅक टू देअर मेसेजेस. सो असं काही नाहीये. भरपूर मेसेजेस आल्यामुळे समटाइम्स it's difficult to
WhatsApp also went slow and everything. We couldn't even use.
So
and
that is why what we do is we just go ahead and put a status saying that thank you so much for the lovely wishes, and it's not. I don't know what to say.
And not only that, immediately after the wedding, we had work. I went and I compared the next day. You know, so there was a lot of things.
Now
that
also while
happened.
recording, I'm getting video calls
Video
from
call.
behind.
So that's what happens. You know, I mean, I know it's wrong. There's no denying that.
But give us some time.
Give us some time. Give
We
us
are, as I
understand.
said, we are newbies and we are. I don't know how to. We don't know how to.
We're caught up with many things. Since we too do things on our own, there's nobody to help us. There's nobody to, you know. I mean, it's only we two at the end of the day, and we know housework, this work, that work, that work. It adds up. Earlier, when I was single, I used to have my mobile 24/7 with me. You know, replying within less than a second. That was how the scenario was. Now, maybe 1 day, 2 days, maybe a month later, I will reply. The only
But we do
we
reply. We take
yeah.
time, but we make sure we reply.
And of
with
course, we
whole
have
heart.
clients who are at priority because
Yes.
we have work. I mean, we can't. And then the question about, you know, you have time to upload this and about no time to upload it.
Because
That's work
this
at the
is
end of the
work,
day.
yeah.
We have our vision. We have something planned.
Our goal.
Our goals. So, you know, that is a part of a plan. And nowadays we can't say, hey, you're uploading here so you have free time. No, that phase of Instagram, YouTube is gone.
Yeah. Yeah, sorry, we had to take that call. It
Yeah.
was a family call, so we.
Had to abruptly disconnect the video. So what were we talking about? I forgot. Is that what happens when you're hang out and eating.
About replying and
हाँ,
work and
so-
all that.
Bottom line, we apologize for the delays. Please be understanding to our scenarios. It's only us three at the end of the day working, doing everything. And
Us
we need
two.
your support. Us three.
हाँ, Hriday also helps.
Hriday, one thing is good is that he's learning things. I mean, he's started to wash his own plates and everything. He puts everything on the sink. That's something good. So we are happy he is growing to be a matured man, and that's how it is. Good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Thank you. But this behavior of Charlie उसका आया है.
फाईन. सो आता आपण बघूया हृदयचा बर्थडेचा दिवस पुढे कसा जातोय. फॉर नाव
We'll drop him to school now after eating.
या, सो नाव ही इज गोइंग टू स्कूल.
Yes.